Want to improve your English while enjoying a thrilling story? Watch till the end, because the last text message will shock you. The last text message. It was 11:57 p.m. Heavy rain was falling. The streets were empty. The wind was strong. Riya lived alone. She finished dinner. She watched a movie. Her phone vibrated. She picked it up. An unknown number appeared. A message arrived. It said, "Don't look outside." She laughed softly. She ignored it. Someone knocked slowly. Knock. 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 She became nervous. Another message arrived. "Don't open the door." She walked carefully. She reached the window. She looked outside. A tall man waited. His face was hidden. He wore black clothes. He never moved. She closed the curtains. Her phone vibrated again. "He saw you." Her heart raced. She turned off the lights. The room became dark. Only her phone glowed. Another message arrived. "Lock the back door." She suddenly remembered. The back door was open. She ran quickly. She locked it. Cold air entered the house. Then she listened carefully. Footsteps came from upstairs. Step. 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 She stood still. Fear filled her heart. Another message arrived. "Don't go upstairs." She called the police. The police arrived quickly. They searched the entire house. Nobody was found. Only wet footprints remained. Then the footprints disappeared. The police left. Riya finally felt safe. 5 minutes passed. Her phone vibrated again. One final message appeared. "You are safe now." She smiled with relief. Then another message arrived. "I left 5 minutes ago." She slowly looked behind her. Nobody was there. Then she noticed something. The back door was moving. It opened slowly. A cold wind entered the room. Her phone screen went dark. Everything became silent. The end. White medium star moral. Always stay alert. One message can change everything.